What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to get more coins in Blum. For that you have to follow the process that I'm going to show you. So make sure you do it properly and follow the video till the end to get to know about every single detail. So let's dive into the video. So as you guys can see that I'm on the Blum board in the Telegram where I can access the Blum. So what you have to do is actually go to the launch Blum button. So once you do it, you will see that you are in the Blum application. Here my Blum is already farming. So what I can do to increase the farming rate and get more coins. So I'm going to show you how to do it properly. So what are some tips and tricks that you can do. You can do daily quests, you can do social interaction with the different community, you can follow them on socials, you can complete a social task. By doing so, you will get the points. For example, here you can see my task. I can secure my crypto and all I have to do is to go and watch this video. And if I watch this video, it will give me the coins um, um, based on the video that I watch. So let's do it. Due to the copyright reason, I may not be able to show you the video, but this is how you can do it. So after that, you will see that there are multiple videos that I can watch and I can get 250 coins per video. And by just following them on the Twitter, as known as X, I can get 111 coins. So these are just new ones. So by going on chain, you see there are different sort of league quests in here. So all I have to do is to connect my Ton wallet with the Blum and I can get the reward. And I have done already, so I'm just gonna go and click on claim and you will see that I have earned more coins than before. So these are some tips and tricks that you need to follow in order to get the maximum coins. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.